Jersey Shore time. The day in Seaside, I don't know what the temperature is. 97 maybe? Yeah, I don't know. Let's take a walk down the boardwalk. Whatever. Hot enough for you? Hot enough for you? What do you think? Hot. Ah, you don't know what hot is. What are you going to do when summer gets here? Where you at? Tell us where you're at.
Park Seafood on the boardwalk.
Park Seafood on the boardwalk. Hey, the Park Seafood and right over top of the Aztec and Seaside Heights. $71. Woo! And a big lobster. That was $42 alone.
Find anything?
Hey, let her go, I'll get her.
Yeah, isn't it too hot to do that? That used to bring these over.
Hey, cooled off a little. What do you think, huh? Cooled off? Let's say it's, instead of 98 degrees, it's now 96 degrees. Cooled off a lot. What they say it was, 93 degrees right now? I don't know, not bad. Mama, get over here. Hey, Fuzzy. Too hot for you guys. Hello there. Been too hot for the cats. What do you think? Too hot for the cats, huh? Think the cats are too hot?
I think they're hot.
Too hot for the cats. Yeah. Cats are a little too hot. They're just relaxing today. Trying not to exert too much energy.
Here it is, guys. How about it now? Oh, now coming around now. Watch the wheel for choice. There's that mom. How about that pop? Bree's got a shot up top. Oh, Sammy's got a shot. There's that mom again. We got hat.
Loser on the wheel. Can't even win a box of stupid candy. Right. Why did you pick the right name? You picked the wrong name.
I played Kelly.
Kelly. Wrong name. One more time, babe. One more time. It's the medium. Go for a medium. was
What happened there?
I got ripped off. Another 50 cents down the tubes.
Yeah.
Okay, can't think of anything else to do, Freddy. Right, Freddy? Alright. Good night, everybody. See you tomorrow. End of video.